Welcome back to Prima Facie. This is James, and right now we're going to review how to create your own custom case types inside of Prima Facie. Let's get to it. Navigate to the administrator panel, upper right hand corner here. Administrator panel, there we go. And now go to the custom case types tab. Now if I had to ask you to guess, what do we do to create a new custom case type, you'd be right if you told me click the green button. Let's choose a name, and we'll call it Divorce with Children but No Property. Property. Here we go. So on the Divorce with Children but No Property, we'll click OK. And here we go. It's created for us. Divorce with Children but No Property. Now, we need to add forms. We need to add flow items, and we need to add a checklist. Let's get to it. Click the Edit button. This is where you can add those things. Let's choose our forms. Let's do a FL100, for example. Type that into the search box. It's going to find it here, and click Add. Let's find the FL105. There's that. We're going to click Add. Okay, now click Update if you want that to save. Okay, so let's go. Let's look at it again. We're going to go into Edit It, and you'll see we've got these two forms that have been entered, but now we need case flow items. Now, you can add items one at a time by doing this. You'll just simply type in what the flow is. Probably meet with client is going to be number 1. Optionally, you can add a purpose to know what's going on. The priority is the number it's going to show up in the list. So by default, we create them in orders of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That makes it easier if you need to rearrange it later or add intervening steps. So we'll create this one, and there we have it. Now, if there's a case type that we've already created or that you've already created, and you want to import the case flow list from that, simply click the Import button. And we're going to select a case type here. I know that there are some items in this one. I'll click Import. So we're going to import case flow items from this case type. And there we go. So you have all those. Now what you can do is you can add intervening ones or delete these, edit these as you like so that it fits your needs. But those are the case flow items, and the checklist works the same way. So you can add those items one at a time, or you can import from a case type that's maybe similar. We're going to have exactly the same stuff. And then you can edit those, add to them, rearrange them. And that's how easy it is to create a new case type. So let's click Update now that we've added those things. And let's go to Penny's contact page here. We're going to click on Cases. We're going to create a new case. So this will be the one that we just created, is Divorce with Children but No Property. Click Add. And now we see the case flow items are there. The checklist items are there. The two forms that we added are also preloaded. Okay, so this is something that you should take the time to do. Invest the 20 minutes or the 30 minutes it takes to create at least the most common case types that you're going to be using in your practice. Because what does it give you? It gives you consistency across all your cases, and it gives you accuracy, and it helps you make sure that you're not missing any steps or missing any forms that you're going to need. And like always, if in a particular case you need to add a new form, you can go to the Forms tab and just for this case, add that form from here. If something in the flow or the checklist changes, you can ad hoc add new items here just by typing and clicking Add, Type. Here we go. We'll add Jimmy's birthday to the flow item list, which doesn't make a lot of sense unless you know Jimmy. And you're all set. That's how easy it is to make custom case types inside of Prima, and just imagine how much time that's going to save you. Thanks.